Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the physical and cloud basics working. Plug the Arduino into USB and attach power. Make sure the board has Wi-Fi capability or a Wi-Fi shield. Next, sign into Arduino Cloud and add your device using its device ID so the platform can manage it. Once done, install Arduino Create Agent on your computer and confirm the board is listed in Cloud Devices. This step lets you flash sketches and use the EOT remote features reliably. You now configure the software that turns the board into a remote. Open the EOT remote example, add the EOT remote library, and modify the sketch to create cloud variables that represent buttons, sliders, or commands. Then map each virtual control to a pin or function on your board so actions trigger hardware changes. Make sure to set your Wi-Fi SSID and password in the sketch or cloud configuration. Finally, upload the sketch. Then enable the remote device in Arduino Cloud so it appears in your dashboard. You finish by validating operations and preparing for real use. Use the Arduino Cloud dashboard or mobile app to press controls and watch LEDs, motors, or outputs respond. Confirm timing and behavior match expectations. If something fails, inspect the serial monitor and cloud logs, then check Wi-Fi signal strength and credentials. If problems persist, reflash the sketch, restart the board, and reset any cloud variables or device pairing. One key tip: look for mismatched variable names between sketch and cloud. That's a common silent failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.